Anthropic just put an AI coworker inside every Slack channel, and one of the world's top AI researchers says it's a whole new paradigm. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Friday, June 26, 2026. In AI news today, Anthropic just dropped Claude directly into your Slack channels. With the new Claude tag feature, enterprise and team users can mention Claude in any channel. It reads the thread and collaborates in real time. Top AI researcher Andrej Karpathy called it a, quote, new paradigm for working with AI. Your team meetings may never be the same. Also from the AI tools world, Adobe Firefly just made a big leap. It's now agentic, meaning instead of responding to one prompt at a time, it can autonomously execute multi-step creative workflows. We're talking brand kit creation, product video generation, quick cut editing, and full storyboards, all handled by AI without you babysitting every step. In cybersecurity news, OpenAI just launched its most security-focused release yet. Under its Daybreak initiative, the company is rolling out GPT-5.5-Cyber and Codex security to trusted defenders, organizations that can use them to find, validate, and patch vulnerabilities. They're also launching a program called Patch the Planet. OpenAI wants AI to be the world's best bug hunter. Here's a reality check on all the AI hype. Notion surveyed 6,000 professionals and found that 88% of organizations are still in the early stages of AI adoption. That's nearly 9 in 10. Even more striking, business leaders are twice as confident about AI progress as the frontline workers who actually use these tools every day. The gap between the boardroom and the desk is real. In tech markets news, the AI chip boom just rewrote the memory industry leaderboard. SK Hynix has overtaken Samsung as the world's #1 memory chip maker for the first time ever. Micron quadrupled its revenue. SK Hynix stock is up more than 248% year to date. When AI demand is this intense, even the picks and shovels companies become trillion-dollar players. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about Claude as a Slack team member in the comments, give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.